Good morning, boys and girls. Today, our learning target is antonyms. I can identify and use antonyms. What is an antonym? Well, antonyms are words with opposite meanings. Let's look at a sentence and let's look at a specific word so we can be thinking about what opposites are. Opposite is the exact different than the word that you're thinking of. So if I say hot, the opposite of hot would be cold. If I said soft, the opposite of soft would be hard. So an antonym is an opposite word. Antonyms are very, very useful for us to be able to learn, because learning antonyms for words you already know, it's actually a really good way to build your vocabulary. So that's why we're really targeting in on antonyms. Let's look at our first sentence in blue. Dad yelled to us. What if we use an antonym for our underlined word, yelled? What's a word that means the opposite of yelled? How about whispered? That means the exact opposite. So whispered is the antonym for yelled. Dad whispered to us. Let's look at our next sentence that's in pink. The door is open. What would be an antonym or an opposite word for open? How about closed? The door is open. The door is closed. Open is the word that we were looking at, and closed is the antonym of open. It means the opposite. All right, let's see. Let's try another activity. All right, let's go ahead and look at a few more things to see if we can identify antonyms. Let's read our first sentence. It is warm today, but the weekend will be chilly. I am looking at the word warm. Is there an antonym for the word warm in this sentence? What is the opposite of warm? Let's read the sentence again. It is warm today, but the weekend will be chilly. I think our antonym for warm is chilly, because that means cold, doesn't it? The opposite of warm can be chilly. Awesome. Let's look at our green sentence. I can't carry that heavy bag. Please give me something that is light. All right, I am looking for words that are opposites of each other. Let's see, if I circle the word heavy, is there an antonym word that means the opposite of heavy in green? I can't carry that heavy bag. Please give me something that is light. You know what? The word light can mean something bright, but it can also mean weight, very little weight. It doesn't weigh very much if it's light. So if we can use that as an antonym to heavy, I think that would work. Don't you think so? Think so. All righty. So when we think of antonyms, we think of the opposite of that word. I think that maybe you could look in your reading that you're doing in your yellow envelope. Maybe find a word in one of your sentences and see if you can think of the opposite word, the antonym of that word. It'd be kind of fun to read through that book again, maybe looking for different things. All right, boys and girls, have a good day. Bye.